Right now, the crypto market is sideways after a dump towards the downside. I won't say it is a dump, it's just a small correction. Well, what I am expecting this week, and will the market recover from here or not? I will be discussing each and everything in today's video. So let's get straight to the point. Right now, I'm on the Bitcoin's daily time frame chart, and over here, the market is sideways. We have seen, I won't say a very big move, but a small pump towards the upside, because I hope you already know we are in a downtrend for the last couple of weeks. You can clearly see high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. I won't say this as a huge dump, it is just a correction. If you see, this is just a normal market move, because this is a important support for Bitcoin, and if the price of Bitcoin breaks this support towards the downside, then we can see a huge dump in the price of Bitcoin. But right now the price is just acting normal only, and to be honest, I expect the price of Bitcoin to dump a lot because of the manipulation that is happening in the price of Bitcoin. I expect that real price action has to play out on Bitcoin, and as a result the price have to go towards the downside. But again, it all depends on manipulators only, how long and how hard they will manipulate the price of Bitcoin. And yeah, as of now nothing much in the crypto market, and to be honest, I'm a little bit bullish in the shorter term. Why? If you watch my previous crypto videos, you already know a little bit I'm bullish on Bitcoin for just a couple of days or maybe 1 or 2 weeks, but overall I'm bearish only, because I expect the price of Bitcoin to dump all the way down till, I would say, 70 or $50,000 minimum. But because this is whole a bubble only, and it is getting manipulated, so let's see how long this bubble will last. But for shorter term, for the next few days, I'm expecting the price of Bitcoin to pump from here. There is no technical analysis, or I'm not doing any analysis over here. This is just what I believe can happen with Bitcoin this current week, because I'm on the Bitcoin CME futures chart, and if you have watched my recent short videos, you already know I informed you guys about this gap over here. I hope you can clearly see this gap over here on Friday and on Monday, 22nd and 25th of August. You can see there is a gap remaining at $115,000. So I believe that the price of Bitcoin can go all the way up till 115, 116k to fill this gap, and that's it. Like, I'm little bit bullish only on Bitcoin. Overall, I'm still bearish, as I already told you guys, and that's it. Just for couple of days and maybe 1 or 2 weeks, I'm bullish on Bitcoin, but that doesn't mean that you can go long or short. This is not a financial advice, and obviously right now Bitcoin is near its all-time high. I would say there are not many levels to take a trade on Bitcoin, and obviously I'm personally not taking any trade in Bitcoin as well. So right now I'm just doing my analysis, and I expect that in the next coming days it can pump a little bit till $116,000. But overall, I expect the price of Bitcoin to dump, but again, it all depends on manipulators and whales only, how long this bubble will last. Also talking about Ethereum, again, same is with Ethereum, same is with Bitcoin. Both of them right now are just sideways. Volume is also pretty much low, and the market also is, I would say, just sideways only, because I hope you all remember this is a very important resistance zone for Ethereum. This is an order block zone from $4,600 to $4,800 approx, and for the past couple of months the price of Ethereum is just pumping in a straight line, or I would say parabolically, without a major retest or without a correction. You can clearly see no correction over here also, and no correction over here also at this level. So that's why price of Ethereum is overbought. The bulls are exhausted. So right now the price is, I would say, sideways only. But again, as I said, for the next coming days, price of Ethereum can also pump a little bit, because Bitcoin can also pump. But overall, as I said, I'm bearish on Bitcoin, so this means I'm bearish on Ethereum also, because you can clearly see this whole parabolic manipulation pump over here. So yeah, that's why I expect the price of Ethereum to go all the way down till here again at $2,600 for a retest, because you can clearly see there is not even one single retest, and according to price action and technical analysis this has to happen. But again, it all depends on so-called fundamental analysis only. In the end, talking about Solana, again nothing much in Solana also right now, because in the past couple of days there is not a, I would say, very big volume or very big move in the price of crypto overall. And Solana right now, if you look closely, Solana is in an uptrend, low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. But if you look closely, this is a ascending triangle, which is a bullish pattern for Solana. So most of the times it breaks out towards the upside, but obviously these patterns can break out anywhere, so don't just follow them randomly. More thing important here is that the price of Solana is also overbought. You can clearly see bulls are trying to buy and buy and buy, and still I would say bulls are getting exhausted, but they are still trying to pump the price towards the upside. But this is a very important resistance zone for Solana over here, which it has not even touched one time, from $220 to $224. So let's see what happens. Currently I'm not taking any trade in Solana, Ethereum or Bitcoin personally, okay? So don't copy trade me. Nothing of this is any financial advice. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, it all depends on Bitcoin only. If Bitcoin gets manipulated and pumped towards the upside, then every crypto will follow it, and if it dumps, then also every crypto will follow it only. Right now Sol is in middle of nowhere. It is definitely not near my support zone and definitely not near my resistance zone as well, so it is better for me to just watch the charts for now. What do you guys think? Comment down below. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Just a quick analysis on Bitcoin, Ethereum and Solana and overall crypto. Right now they are just sideways, nothing much in the market, and after a decent little bit dump towards the downside, the price of Bitcoin is pretty much sideways and preparing to maybe pump towards the upside. Let's see what happens, because right now price action no longer exists on Bitcoin, but still I'm trying to analyze according to the price action, and according to that only I expect it to pump a little bit till $116,000 this week, and same with Ethereum and Sol also. But in the longer term I expect them to dump a lot, like a lot, because that is the reality of Bitcoin. It is getting manipulated a lot and it has to dump it. The bubble has to crash, and let's see how long this will last. And yeah, it's according to you guys. If you want to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum and Solana, you can do that on Bybit. Link of Bybit is in the description and in the comment below. It is a centralized exchange. If you want to use, you can, or else you can just get an account on any exchange you want. No pressure promotion. Just don't fall for any scams. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.